We got a BMW X4 M40iX G02 B58 engine in for coolant leak repairs, and Donnie's going to run us through everything we found. Okay, Donnie, let's start here with the expansion tank cap.
So first of all, the general condition was the plastics on this engine is very brittle. Here a piece of plastic actually has already broken out of the expansion tank cap,
Okay.
which can cause it to lose pressure after time through that O-ring.
Alright, and then where do we go next?
Next up would be the top radiators. You can see it's already completely brown of brittleness, and when you look actually inside, you can actually see there's already pieces starting to break away. How brittle it is already.
Sure.
And down there you can see it's cracked over there.
And all the way down, I see that. Okay. And then on the outside, the client would see what looks like cornflakes, really.
The cornflakes are really here on the top, on the radiator.
Yeah, we're going to leave that for last. That's the best part.
Okay, so the other side of the top radiators would connect to this coolant flange that sits against the head underneath the intake.
Why is it so brown?
This is all caused of the brittleness of age and heat penetrating the plastic and making it weak over time.
Okay.
And with these ones, they are quite common to crack actually.
Alright.
And you
Could
can
we see the crack?
Just need to find that crack now again. There it is. So
Let's see.
right there, it's already starting to crack.
Yep, we can
And
see
you
it
can
very
actually
nice
see
and clear.
the line already going through there.
Awesome. Alright, so then what was next?
After we've taken the intake off, we also found that the turbo coolant return hose has a small piece that's already starting to seep past this clamp. It's going past here already.
Okay.
This is also generally because of brittleness of the plastic shrinking as well from the heat of the time.
Alright. And then what is this other thin little hose here?
This would be your vent hose between the expansion tank and your top of your radiator.
Okay.
Also due to brittleness, started to seep past here already.
Alright, and then the grand finale would be the radiator, and it looks like this.
Cornflakes.
Cornflakes everywhere. Most of it is now fallen off over time with moving it around, but you can see at the bottom of the tank and on the core itself what it looks like. Of course, none of this should be here.
And so once again, very brittle.
And this would be where the top radiator hose connects.
Yes, and the
And
vent
that
hose here.
is where the vent hose connects. Alright. And we've sorted it all out, pressure tested after fitting new components. No more coolant leaks on this B58.